Samath. Today I'm going to explain you the difference of using have and there. As I observe that, I see a lot of Cambodian students, they are confusing of using have and there. Okay, so today I am going to explain you more clearly how to use have and there. Okay, so let's read something on the whiteboard. Okay, so the first example here, have a lot of people in my town. Okay, there are a lot of people in my town. So which sentence is so appropriate in this situation? Okay, have a lot of people in my town. So this one is really wrong. Okay, there are a lot of people in my town. That is correct. Okay, so look at the note here. Do not begin a sentence with have. Okay, so that is something you have to take into your account. So never start a sentence with have. Okay, move to B. If there is a subject, then you can use have. But if no subject, use there. Okay, look at here. My town has many English schools. One more. In my town has many English schools. Okay, so which one do you think it is so appropriate or correct one? Okay, let's highlight together. My town has many English schools. Yes, this sentence is correct because my town is the subject and the main verb have, it belongs to the subject, my town. Okay, so my town has many English schools. That's correct one. What about the second one? In my town has many English schools. Okay, so this one is a very big confusing of the Cambodians who study English. They always use the sentence like that. Okay, for example, like they always say, in my class has 20 students. Okay, so that is wrong English. Okay, so this one is wrong English also, because in this sentence there is no subject. In my town, so in my town is the prepositional phrase. It is not a subject. So the verb, the main verb has does not belong to anything else. Okay, so in this sentence there is no subject. Okay, because prepositional phrase, it's just like a phrase. It is not a subject. Okay, it is not a subject. So in this sentence is wrong. So later on, student, never start a sentence like, in my class has 16 students. Okay, in Battambang has many people. Okay, so that is wrong English. Okay, so that is the correct one. You can say, in my town there are many English schools. Okay, so correct, because you can see here is that is the prepositional phrase. Okay, so you must start with there are. Okay, you must start with there are. You never start with have or has. Okay, so these are all the differences of using have and there are, and I hope that you understand with this lesson. If you feel a little bit doubt or you feel a little bit hazy, please comment in our channels. Okay, I will give you feedback more. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.